Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. It's been hot. Is it hot by you? Man, we hit 97 today. Yeah, I melt. I don't do well in the heat unless I'm out on a boat with a nice cool drink without a care in the world. So it's time to turn over another page on the calendar. So June is done. And here we are now in July. July 1st. July has a very important significance to our country, especially this year. On July 4th, 1776, we the people declared our independence. So that's 250 years. Seems like a very long time. Well, it is if you want to live 250 years yourself. That's a very long time. But when you think about it in generations, it's not that long ago. I mean, if people live between 50, 60, 70 years on average, I don't know what the average is from 76 to 2026, but let's say it's, let's say it's only in the 40s. Let's say the average lifespan of an American was only in their 40s, 50s. That's 5 generations. So that's me, my dad, his dad, his dad, and his dad. 5 generations. That's not all that long ago. All right? We're talking so many technological advances since the founding of this country, and many of which we still use today. So, I mean, some of us, and I'm sure somewhere in the shop I have a tool older than 100 years. I have several probably older than 150 years. That would be 3 generations. And then I probably have some that are older than 200 years. So it's not all that long ago. But on this 4th of July weekend, I'd like to wish you all the best. We celebrate the birth of our nation. We celebrate freedom and liberty. We have to keep in mind that this country was blessed because our founding fathers, and probably the founding mothers had something to do with it too, because they influenced the founding fathers, pulled together a document, several documents. Got the Declaration of Independence, right? And then we have the Constitution. So I don't think anyone today, with all of our computing power, could come up with as strong and as solid of a plan. They thought things out 250 years ago that affect you and me today positively. You have your amendments, okay? First, second, third, fourth, right? You have your amendments. Each of those were carefully crafted, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be a little busy this weekend, and so I might not get a lot of videos up. And I wanted to wish you and America a happy birthday. Stay safe. Stay cool. It's going to be hot. And remember to count your blessings living here in America. So that's about it. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.